Hi friends, this is Bijita here once again. Today in this video I'll cover the costing of a material, costing with quantity structure, and that is a very important lesson as it is a real-time scenario as well as a very important question being asked in any interview. So and this is a basic of product costing. So in my earlier video I have uploaded the configuration of product costing, and this is the implementation, means this is the uh, end user part, means how to cost a material. So first of all, in order to cost a material, uh, we have to go to the CK11 transaction. uh, but before going to the CK11 transaction, this is the CK11 transaction which is being displayed now. But before executing the CK11 transaction, I'll show you the material master first. Material master being opened in this. This is the material master. Let me open from the beginning. /mm03. Pen is my material. Selecting all the views. Now giving the plant, that is ABC. Entering into accounting 1. This is the condition of material. The standard price of the material is 5, and going to accounting 2. Then costing 1. See, with quantity structure is ticked on. That means this material will be costed with quantity structure. Now see, costing lot size is 10. Means once we will cost a lot, 10 units of product pen will be costed at a shot. So this is the concept. Now going to the costing 2 tab. Standard price is 5 and the price indicator is standard. Absolutely fine. Now going to the BOM in order to check the uh, child components. /n CS03. This is my material. Going inside, see, in order to produce pen we require two other materials. One is plastic roll, another one is ink. These two materials are required and at a ratio of this. Means now going to the header. Now in order to produce 1 unit of pen we require, going inside, we require 0.5 unit of plastic roll and 0.3 units of ink. This is the ratio which is required. Now what we will do is, now we know that how much quantity is required in order to produce a finished the mother material. Now what we will do is, we will go to the child materials master, that is plastic roll and ink. Now going into the plastic roll, going into costing 1, plant ABC. Here standard price is also 5. Okay, uh, and standard price is 5. Now coming back, going to the ink. No, coming back, going to ink material, going to accounting once again, the accounting tab. Plant is ABC. It is standard price is 7. 7 standard price indicator S is given, that is standard price, and the standard price is 7. So fine. Now coming back, and as you remember that the mother material, that is pen. Now going to the accounting 1 once again, ABC. Costing accounting 2, costing 2, costing 1. Storage location is ABC. Plant stock, costing 2, costing 1. Yes, costing lot size is 10. So if we want to produce one lot of pen, then 10 units of pen would be produced, uh, as we will produce a lot. So anyway, now going to cost the material. This is the CK11N transaction wherein we do the material costing with quantity structure. Now pen is my material and plant ABC is entered. Now costing variant is entered, which I have created. I have shown you the configuration earlier. Now date, I'll just click, I'll just press enter, and automatically it has taken the dates as the costing variant is set as the current date. Hence the date from date is always the current date, and the to date is the month and date. And quantity, in quantity structure, the quantity structure date is always the current date. Now just pressing enter. Yes, system has come up with the values. Now I'll click on this log. There is no error at all. One warning is given, which is fine. Let me tick it off. Now I'll just expand this, as my BOM components will be showing here. See, quantity is 10 against pen. Why? Is because one lot of see here, lot size is given, costing lot size. Yes, here one lot is being costed, and that one lot contains 10 units of product, as because the data is being read from the material master and lot size 10 has been given there. So 10 units of material will be costed, and the ratio given for the pen product was the plastic cover at the rate of 0.5, which comes to 5 unit if applicable on 10 units, and ink was given as 0.3 unit, 0.3 ratio, which is applicable on 10 and comes to 3 unit, which is absolutely fine. And in the material master, plastic cover contain the price of 10, which comes to plastic cover contains the price of 5. If multiplied with 5 unit, that comes to 25, that is absolutely fine. And here 3 units of ink had the price of 7 in the material master. If multiplied, then 21 is the final price, which is absolutely fine. Now putting together, 25 plus 21 comes to 46, which is absolutely fine. Now 46 price is for 10 quantity. That means for one quantity of pen is 4.60 euro. So this is the calculation which is populated perfectly. Now I'll just click on the save button in order to save the cost estimate. Itemization log, okay. The cost estimate is being saved, so it is saved. Now I'll go to the CK24 in order to mark and release the cost. One more point I would like to show you in the material master. Now going to the material master once again. Yes, pen. Now going to accounting 1. Sorry, costing 2. Costing 2. See, in the current period, there is nothing costed. There is no planned price, and there is nothing. So I'll just do the costing. In future, cost estimate is there, but there is no current cost estimate. I myself have done the future cost estimate, but there is no current cost estimate. And once the cost estimate will be done, the period and fiscal year will be updated here as well, which is not updated as the costing has not been taken place. Now I'm going and doing the costing. Now I'm in CK24. I'll mark and release the cost. And one more point, that I'm going to the material master once again. See, planned price contains 0 and standard price contains 5. Uh, Now I'll mark it. My period is 3 and year is 2020. Company code is ABC. ABC. Plant is ABC. Plant is ABC. Material is pen. Now just executing it. Now it will show the proposed price. I think the fiscal year and the this one fiscal year and period is wrong. This is May. That means, oh sorry, it is 2. The period is 2. Sorry, as April is 1 and May would be 2. This is the month of May. Now executing it. Yes, one material hosted successfully and were updated successfully, but in the test run mode, yes, it is showing. See, standard price is 5, which has been there in material master, as I have shown you. Yes, 5 is there in the material master, but it is proposing me 4.60. That is the future price. See here, standard price is 5, and yes, it is proposing the planned price 4.60, which is absolutely fine. Now I'll be coming back and we'll be taking the test run off and we'll be executing 4.60. Yes, now I'm coming back. Now I have not released the price yet. Now again I'll check the material master. I'll go into the material master once again, MM03 pen, selecting the all views, plant ABC, entering into. Now accounting 1, accounting, sorry, costing 2, costing 2. Okay, now yes, it is still 0. It is still 0 as there is no release yet. I have to release the cost. Now I'm just clicking on the release button. Yes, now see in the header, release standard price is being shown. Period and year given, company code given, company plant given, material number given. Now taking the test run on, executing it. It is compiling. It will take a bit time. It will take a bit time in order to populate the proposed price. And then again I need to take the test run off and I'll have to execute in order to do the actual posting. Yes, it is showing one materials were costed successfully. Now coming back, yes, it is again showing, it is again proposing standard price 4.60. This is how system is proposing me, and as expected, as I myself have calculated, 4.60 would be the correct price of the material as costed correctly. Now coming back, taking the test run off and executing it in actual mode. Thus 4.60 would be updated as the standard price. 5 will be replaced as 4.60. executing it will take again a bit time in order to reflect, in order to complete the posting. Compiling. Yes, it is done, and it is run. It is executed in the actual mode, and this line has come up with the standard price 4.60. Now, scrolling to the right, see document number has also got posted. Now, entering into the document number, it will show us the document number. I mean, it will show us the document. It will again take a bit time in order to display the document. Yes, it is displayed. Yes, it is displayed, and this is the price change document. Uh, Material number given, plant given, old price was 5, absolutely fine. New price is 4.60, and that's what is being shown, which is absolutely fine. The accounting, let me go to the accounting document. Price is being decreased here a bit. In fact, yes, the document number is 701, and today's date it is just created. Stock is being decreased, and profit and loss is being profit and loss on revenue is debited, and stock inventory credited. Absolutely fine. Okay, now coming back, uh, going to the coming back, let me come back, slash n. Now we'll be going to the material master once again. This is the bomb material master. Yes, material master. Now I'll open a fresh one, slash n mm03 pen, only selecting accounting, accounting to costing, costing to, entering plant given. See, standard price updated with 4.60, which is absolutely fine. Last price change, that is today's date, absolutely fine. Now going to the costing to tab. Costing, I mean costing to tab. See, the planned price is 4.60, standard price is 4.60, which is being displayed perfectly here. Standard price is also updated 4.60. Now if I am clicking on the current button, then system will take me to the cost estimate display, which I just have completed. So clicking on the current button, it will show me the cost estimate display. Yes, clicking on the current button. Sorry, my system got hanged a bit. It will again take a bit time. Yes, it has come up. That page where in exactly where I was in, and it was completed, and it is the I'm clicking on the current button, current cost estimate button, and it is taking me to the display of cost material structure, which is absolutely fine. I hope this much is clear to you. And please note, it is a very important lesson as being told earlier. It is a important question being asked in any interview, and it is important for you to know as well, as it is a real time business scenario. In real time, this is how a material is being costed. This is how finished products are being costed. So it is a very important lesson. So if you have any query, then please put your queries in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your queries. And uh, if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel, and please share as many as possible. I'll upload next videos within few days. Till then, do take a very good care of yourself. Thank you. Bye.